My friend, can you make Rakija? Oh, of course! Let me show you how to make Rakija. First, you need to choose the fruit that you're gonna make the Rakija from. Today, we're gonna make the Rakija from dunya. First step is to cut the fruit. Dunya is a very hard fruit, so you have to have a machine to blend or you need to cook it. Put the chopped fruit in the big pot on the fire and fill with water. Every 10 minutes, you have to mix. When the dunya is soft enough, then we can put it in a bude. Now we need to blend. Perfect. Put the lid and leave for 2 to 3 weeks. 3 weeks later. Yes, you can. Then we pour this into a kazan. A kazan is a big metal pot where we cook the fermented fruit in order to release the alcohol that was created during fermentation. The alcohol turns into vapor, then this vapor moves to an additional part that we have here, which is a filter. It removes impurities like methanol and keeps the flavor and a clean alcohol. The clean alcohol moves into the hladnjač. It's a cooler where the vapor is condensed into a liquid, and that liquid is what we call Rakija. Remember, the first and last bit of Rakija that comes out we don't use. The middle part of the Rakija is the best for drinking. Živjeli!